Hey your people, it's your boy Mighty Reds, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited diamonds and coins in my DLS 25 game absolutely free, safe and online. So let's see guys, how does it work. So I will open my DLS 25 and we should get all these coins and diamonds. So there we go. We're actually receiving our diamonds and our coins, guys. It works amazing. So now I will show you how you can actually get this for your Android or your iOS phone. It works perfectly for both devices. And for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called appsnake.com. You will find it easily. Click on DLS 25 and there we will have to enter our DLS 25 user ID. Guys, I have already copied my user ID. Just copy your whole info, paste there. You will click how to find it. If you don't know how to find it, just find it, copy and paste there. So just click continue. It will start searching for our user account. So as you can see, user found, nice. So guys, now we will have to select our desired amount. I will select almost 10 million. It's currently the maximum. Select that and just click continue. So API will start connecting and third step will load up. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more. So yeah. And there we go, guys. We got this API connected. Nice, you should get this. And now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and it should redirect us and we should get verification successful. There we go, guys. Our user ID connected, coins and diamonds are sent, guys. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.